Hey guys, I thought I'd take a quick second and share a video in case maybe someone's having this issue at home. Super easy to diagnose this one. I got this fridge in and they said it just doesn't work. Freezer basically gets to temperature, fridge is warm. I had an idea of what I thought was going to be the problem, and it absolutely was, so thought I'd show you real fast. Like I said, it's easy to diagnose. When I plug this in, everything back here seems to be running. Your fan's running. You can listen here and put your hand on the compressor and see that that's obviously running. So everything back here is running the way it's supposed to be. Now, when I open this freezer, you should hear this fan running. And it's not. As a matter of fact, I can kind of hear it humming a little bit, and I can feel ever so slightly a little breeze here, which means that this freezer probably did get close to temperature, kept things relatively frozen. But obviously without that fan that's right here running and pushing the air down and pushing the air out, the fridge would never stood a chance of getting cold, because the air blows from up there all the way down and then out of that little hole, and these also blow a little bit too, but then that air comes down and cools off the fridge. So how do you fix that? It's actually pretty easy. There's little tabs here that hold this in. I probably can't do it one-handed. But let me just pop this off. There's tab here. You push in on that side at the same time, push in on those tabs, and this pops off. Let me pop that off. Okay, so I removed that, and there was a little screw keeper there. So once that screw is out, it popped right off. Now see, here we have our fan, and it's just barely going here. So just enough air to keep this freezer basically at temperature. So this is obviously the issue, and you can order one of these. If you've seen any of my other videos, I show how to take the model number, go to appliancepartspros.com, pull up your list of parts, find your part number, head over to Amazon or eBay, find it cheaper if possible. And I prefer those methods only because, especially with Amazon, the free returns, in case you give something up and you get the wrong parts or something like that, it's easy to return. And I'm a Prime member, so I get my stuff pretty quick. So a little tip there. Hopefully that helps somebody out. I'm going to order that part and get it coming. That way I can go ahead and get this fridge cleaned up, ready to go for the next person, whoever wants to buy it. But there you go. This fridge will be up and running perfectly once that fan's replaced. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching my video. Hopefully that helps somebody, anyway, get their fridge up and running. You guys have a great day. Hey, guys. Wanted to finish up this video from the other day. Got that new fan in, fully installed, and you can hear the new fan running. Air is pumping out of here as compared to before. It was just could barely feel it. Now it's pumping out of here. Like I said, you can hear it. We'll come down here. I can feel that nice forceful air coming out here. And boom, this one is fixed. So definitely the issue. There again, hopefully this helps somebody out.